How to get a refund from Audiate? First of all, review Audiate's refund policy to ensure your purchase qualifies for a refund. Refunds typically cover issues such as technical problems or accidental purchases within a specific time frame. Subscriptions for Audiate are eligible for a refund within 14 days of purchase. Next, log into your Audiate account and navigate to the Terms and Policies section, where you can find the refund request form. Click on the form. Fill in the required details, including the name on the order, date of order, email address, order number, product, zip code, and reason for the return. Then, submit your refund request. If you do not receive a response within a few business days, follow up politely with customer support to check the status of your refund. Finally, once your refund is approved, the amount will typically be credited back to your original payment method within a few business days, depending on your bank or payment provider's processing time. And that's it. Now you know how to get a refund from Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.